y'all, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Here on this channel we do all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle here on this channel. So if you guys like those type of things, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell so you guys are notified each and every time I upload a new video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys all the candles and goodies and stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works within the past, I want to say 2 weeks. They had a buy two get two free candle deals. I got candles from that deal, and then they recently had a $5.95 sale on all of the Single-wick candles and just other little things that I have in between in my little haul. So just stay tuned and get you a glass of wine and we're gonna get right into it. All right y'all, so we're just gonna hop into the candles that I got from the buy two get two free candle deal that they had going on. So I picked up mostly Christmas candles because around that time that's when they started to put the Christmas candles out on display, and they had them online as well. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of those, so I'll get into it. The first candle I got here was pumpkin cupcake. This of course is a fall candle. I didn't pick this one up before and I wanted to pick it up. It smells really good. It smells like it's named pumpkin cupcake. This one has notes of whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake. It just smells really sweet. It smells like a pumpkin cake. Really sweet. It's heavy on the vanilla and buttercream, and it's right up my alley. This one I got here is caramel pumpkin swirl. This is another one that I have my eyes on. I saw a lot of the candle reviewers talking about this one, so I had to pick it up. It smells really warm and toasty. It's not too strong on the pumpkin. I can smell more of the caramel in it. It's just really warm. And this one has notes of caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. Like I said, I smell more of the caramel. I can definitely pick up the brown sugar and the ground cinnamon in this candle. It smells really good. Candle I got here is a fall festival. Y'all, I really like this one. I went to the store twice during this sale, and I picked this one up on my second time going because I was really upset that I didn't get it the first time. So I definitely had to pick this one up. This one smells super good. It just smells like the epitome of fall. Like it's warm, but you can get that cranberry. Like it just smells like berry-like, but it smells like a fall berry, if that makes sense. This one has notes of fresh pumpkin, spice, cinnamon, sweet maple, almond butter. So I was completely off about the notes with the berry, but you do get that true fall scent in this candle. It smells really good. I can definitely pick up the almond and the cinnamon in this one. It's not too heavy on the pumpkin. It smells really good, y'all, but it kind of smells sweet at the same time. It smells, for some reason I get like a sweet berry scent, but there's no berry in this one, but that's what I'm getting. Next one I got here is sun-drenched linen. This one is perfect for all my laundry scent lovers out there. This one smells like laundry sheets. It smells like the Gain dryer sheets. It just smells really fresh and I love it. This one has notes of clean, cool linen, crisp, tart apple, and soft musk. So we're getting into the second crate. I did get 10 of them. So the next one I got here is snowflakes and citrus. This one is really fresh. It smells like outside it smells like snow. It smells like that perfect snowy day with the hint of citrus in it. It just smells really nice and fresh and clean. This one has notes of juicy tangerine, airy beach grass, sweet orange blossom, and amber. It just smells really nice. Like I said, it smells like a snowy day. Next one I got here is a spiced gingerbread. I've never seen this scent before in previous seasons, like fall seasons, like last year and stuff. I didn't see this candle. This one smells really good. This one's new to me. This one has notes of vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, fresh ground nutmeg. It just smells really good. I can pick up on the cinnamon sugar and the nutmeg in this one. So if you're not like a big cinnamon spice lover, this is not gonna be the one for you because it is strong on the cinnamon. It smells really nice. The next one I got here is peppermint sugar cookie. I love the green wax in this one. I've had this one before. This one smells like a sugar cookie, but with the mint aspect to it. This one has notes of crushed peppermint, vanilla extract, creamy butter, and soft sugar cookies. It just smells really, really good. It smells like a sweet peppermint. So like I said, it smells like a sugar cookie, but with that mint aspect. This smells really, really nice. The next one I got here is one of my fall favorites, which is hot cocoa and cream. It smells like a cup of hot cocoa with with milk in it. The chocolate note in this smells so good, y'all. When I tell y'all this thing smells like hot cocoa, it smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. This one has notes of decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. It smells like hot cocoa. And if you're the person that likes to put marshmallow on top of your hot cocoa when you make you a cup of hot cocoa, this is what you get. Like, it just smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. I cannot wait to burn this candle, but I also need backups because I'm the type of person, when I like a certain scent, I need like 2 or 3 backups. When I bought this, when I initially had this scent, I had 3 of this. I had 3 of these candles. This one, it just smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. The last 2 candles I got are the same candle, which is sugared snickerdoodle. This one smells so good, y'all. I smelled this candle and I was just like, I need 2. I definitely need 2 of them. It just smells sweet. It smells like a treat, y'all. It smells like bakery goodness. It just smells really good. This one has notes of warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. And I definitely get the vanilla in it. I get the musk. It smells so good. I had to get 2. I might get another one. I might just get another one whenever they have another like candle sale. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now we're gonna get into my bag here that's on the floor. I got this bag of goodies. All right, so getting to my bag, the first things I'm gonna get into are the single-wick candles that I got from the $5.95 sale that they had this past weekend. I had to get me some single-wick candles in my beauty room here. I love to burn the single-wick candles. It's perfect for like smaller rooms because this is not a big room. It's not like super small, but it's not big either, and it's perfect because it fills up. Like the single-wick candles are just as strong as the bigger ones, and I prefer to use the bigger ones in my bigger spaces, which is my living room and my bedroom. So with the single-wicks, I use them in here, and with these, they just fill up the space in this room. All right, y'all, so this is Mary Cookie. This is the first single-wick candle that I got, and I did get 2 of these candles because I really like the scent of this candle. This one has notes of fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, and rich vanilla. This just smells like a sugar cookie. It smells like a sweet sugar cookie. It smells like bakery goodness, and y'all know my scent profile. I love them sweet. I love them sweet. The next candle I got here is gingerbread marshmallow. I accidentally picked up 2 of these candles, so I'm gonna end up going back and exchanging the second one for this one for another one, because I don't care to have 2 of these candles, but it is a nice scent. This one has notes of gingerbread spice, eggnog, spiced rum, vanilla frosting, and brown sugar crystals. This one smells so good. This one, you do smell more of that gingerbread than the marshmallow that's in this one. It's really heavy on the gingerbread, the spiced rum, and the brown sugar. I don't really pick up too much of the eggnog or the vanilla that's in this one, but it smells nice. It smells nice. The next one I have here is hot cocoa and cream. I already told you guys the notes for this one. I just wanted it in the single-wick form. It smells really good. The next one I have here is sun-drenched linen. Same as before, same notes. I just wanted this candle in the single-wick form as well. The next candle I have here is Pure Wonder. Didn't care much for the body care, but I really like the scent in the candle form, so I had to pick it up. This one has notes of iced rose, star jasmine, and warm white amber. This one just has like a warm, like pretty scent. It's perfect for the day that, you know, is nice outside. This is still cold outside, but the sun is up, it's bright. This is what this candle is good for. I can definitely smell the amber in this, the amber and the rose in this candle. It makes it so pretty. So pretty, y'all. I love it. All right, y'all, the next candle I have here is 1,000 Wishes. This scent is actually one of my favorite scents in the body care, so I had to pick it up in the candle. I will always see it and walk right past it, so I was really happy to get this one here. This one has notes of sparkling champagne, crystal peonies, and almond cream, and we all know that 1,000 Wishes is strong on the peonies and the champagne that's in this scent. It just smells so good, y'all. It smells really, really pretty. Just really, really nice. I cannot wait to light this candle. All right, y'all, the next candle I have here is Twisted Peppermint. This one is really, really nice. You definitely get that peppermint. It smells like a sweet candy cane. And it's just nice and minty. I love it. This one has notes of cool peppermint, sugar snow, vanilla buttercream, fresh balsam, and with a hint of musk. Like I said, it smells like a sweet candy cane. It smells like a peppermint, but you still get the sweetness to it. Like, I really, really like the way this one smells. I won't burn this one honestly till like December, when it's like close to Christmas. Smells really, really good. It kind of reminds me of crushed candy. It reminds me of candy cane from Tree Hut. I did recently pick up that scrub, since, like, you know, that one's all in the stores now. This one reminds me of candy cane, because it's like that sweet candy cane scent, if that makes sense. All right, the last single wick candle I have here is Vanilla Bean Noel. I had to pick up this scent, y'all. I always get something with vanilla bean around this time of the year. It just smells like a vanilla / marshmallow scented candle. This one has notes of vanilla bean, marshmallow fluff, and vanilla cake. It's just really, really sweet, y'all. It's heavy on the buttercream and the vanilla. It smells like bakery goodness. It's perfect, and I love the green candle scent. That's the green candle color of the wax. So pretty. And that's it for all the candles, you guys. So I'm gonna get into all the other little things that I got. So Bath & Body Works is notorious for having these hand soap sales. They had like I think it was like a $3.95 sale, and I picked up a couple more hand soaps. I already have a couple. I didn't want to pick up a lot because I already have quite a bit underneath my kitchen sink. So the first one I got here is In the Stars. I love the body care, so I figured I'll pick this one up. It's so pretty. I love the color. If you guys don't know, the notes of In the Stars is bergamot, champagne, night blooming, water lily, and pink salted amber. It smells just like the body care, y'all, and I love the packaging. So cute. The next one I have here is Into the Night. This one smells just like the body care as well. If you guys don't know, the scent notes for this one is sugar, raspberry, velvet, rose petals, and creamy musk. So nice, and I love the packaging. It looks just like the body care. The next one I got here is Cozy Vanilla Almond. I have another one of this one. I just wanted to pick up another one. That's how much I love the scent. I love the classic look of the bottle. This one has notes of vanilla orchid, sugar almond, and sweet musk. This one is just really, really sweet. And then the last hand soap I have here is Toasted Vanilla Chai. I figured I'd get this one up too, pick this one up as well. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. I love the fox and the leaves that's on it. Super cute. This one has notes of whipped vanilla, spun sugar, and winter spice. This one kind of smells like it smells like a latte. It smells like a vanilla chai latte. It's exactly what it smells like. So that's the only 4 hand soaps that I got. The next things that I got here are room sprays. As you guys know, they sell the room sprays for 3 for $20. I already have some in my little stash, so I didn't want to pick up too much. The first one I got here is Snowflakes and Citrus. I picked up Gingerbread Marshmallow. And then I picked up the Snowy Peach Berry. I think that's what I'm gonna do. The other gingerbread marshmallow that I picked up by accident, I'm gonna switch that one out for the single wick candle for this particular scent, which is Snowy Beach Berry, because I really like the scent of this one. And the last couple of things I got here are just lip care. So I picked up this lip gloss. This was part of their 50%. This was on the 50% off table, and I was trying to see if they had the other ones, but I only saw this one, so I got this lip gloss. It's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. So I was happy to get this one in the lip gloss here. And then I just got some other lip goodies here. So they had, I just got 3, so to do the buy 2 and get 1 free. So I picked up 2 of the lip balms. I've never tried their lip balms before, so I was happy to get them. I got the vanilla one, and I got the wild berry one. These are 0.14 ounces, which is not a lot, but with lip balm it goes a long way. So I love how cute the packaging is on these. And then the last little lip product I got here is the Cocoa Mint exfoliating lip scrub, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the pink sparkly look of the lip scrub. So cute. I cannot wait to use it. And so that is it for my little collection of Bath & Body Works haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys shopped the sales, let me know down in the comments what were some of your favorite things that you picked up. And so I'll see you guys in my next video.